we will discuss rotation and shift of PPC. Rotation and shift of PPC. So first is rotation of PPC. Now see, rotation मतलब क्या? Suppose a line is there, AB line is there. There can be two cases. One case, this AB line comes here. A1, B1. Okay. Another case is that this AB line becomes like this. AB1. Now, if we give option 1, case 1 and case 2, so which case is shift and which case is rotation? The case in which one angle is constant and other is moving, this is what we say rotation. And when complete line is moving, this is case of shift. So this is the difference between shift and rotation. So when we talk of production possibility curve, and we talk of rotation and shift. So we are discussing rotation now. So this is PPC AB. Now this PPC becoming AB1. Now you see, this is point A. From here, B1. So what we see? Units of, suppose we take braid here and we take pen here as our earlier example. So what we see, when PPC is rotating forward, then what happens? More units of braid is produced, whereas same unit of pen is produced. There is no change in production of pen, but production of braid increases. This is what we say forward rotation. And if PPC is coming like this is backward rotation. Okay, A to B1 and B2. So A to B1 is forward rotation and A to B2 is backward rotation. Okay, so here what we see, production of pen is constant, but production of braid is decreasing. Okay, so PPC is rotating. Now question arises, why PPC will rotate? See, PPC may rotate due to either or both of these two conditions. One is change in technology of production of any one change in technology of production of any one commodity, and second is change in economic resources for any one commodity. Now, either this technology changes, PPC will rotate, or it remains unchanged. Resources for any one commodity changes, PPC will rotate. Okay, now forward rotation, backward rotation. If this change in technology is there, if technology improves, means here forward rotation is there, it may be due to improvement in technology. It may be due to improvement in technology. or it may be due to increase in resources for bread. So here also improvement in technology for bread. Okay, so this forward rotation maybe due to these two conditions, either or both. If technology of production of bread improves, PPC for bread will rotate forward. If resources for production of bread increases, then PPC will rotate forward. Just vice versa can be there. Okay, if in place of this improvement, if there is deterioration, then what will happen? Backward rotation will be there. If deterioration is there, then backward rotation will be there. And if in place of this increase, there is decrease, then backward rotation will be there. So PPC will rotate either due to change in technology of production of any one commodity, or in change in resources for producing any one commodity, or both. Any one factor may work, or both the factors may work together. That is responsible for change in rotation of PPC. Now here in case of bread it is happening. It may happen in case of pen also. It is not that rotation will work for bread only. If our PPC is like this, okay, now it may so forward rotation, backward rotation. Forward rotation in case of pen is due to improvement in technology of pen or increase in resources for pen, or both. Backward rotation of pen is due to deterioration in technology of production of bread, pen, or due to decrease in resources of producing the pen. Okay, or both. So this is the case of rotation of PPC. Got it? PPC question comes. Why PPC rotates? What are the reasons behind rotation of PPC? These are the common questions which are asked. So mind it. Okay. Now we got rotation. Now we will get shift of PPC. Shift of PPC. Okay. What is shift of PPC? Okay, being a student of economics, you have to practice to draw curves and diagrams frequently. Okay, and as much practice you do, you will become expert, and in examination you will have less problem. Okay, so this is PPC AB. Okay, take it P, pen is there, PB. Now rotation can be here. This is upward rotation, P1, B1, this is upward rotation, and this is backward rotation. Okay, this is what we say from PB to P1, B1. This is upward rotation, not shift. Sorry, it is upward shift. This is the case of shift, not rotation. This is upward shift, and PB to P2, B2 is downward shift. It is downward shift. Okay, so upward shift of PPC means more units of both the commodities now. Now we are moving from here to here. So you are able to produce more units of both the commodities. So upward shift of PPC indicates economic growth. Upward shift of PPC indicates economic growth, okay, or increase in GDP of the country. Whereas if downward shift is there, we see decrease in production of both commodities. Okay, so downward shift indicates decrease in GDP, means negative growth of economy. Okay, now why this PPC shift? PPC shift, PPC shifts due to one or more of the following reasons, or we can say PPC shift due to either or both of the following reasons. Number one, simultaneous, एक साथ, simultaneous change in technology of production of both commodities, in same direction. Simultaneous change in technology of production of both commodities in same direction. What does it mean? It means जो from P to P 1B1. अब क्या हुआ कि ब्रेड और पेन बनाने का टेक्नोलॉजी ऑफ प्रोडक्शन जो था वो एक साथ इंप्रूव कर गया, दोनों का टेक्नोलॉजी इंप्रूव कर गया. नेचुरली विद सेम सिमिलर रिसोर्सेज नाउ यू कैन प्रोड्यूस मोर कमोडिटीज. तो टेक्नोलॉजी एक साथ इंप्रूव कर गया तो ये पीपीसी ऊपर की ओर शिफ्ट कर गया. नाउ अगर दोनों का टेक्नोलॉजी एक साथ देख लो रिएक्ट कर जाए, क्या लिखा हुआ है? सिमल्टेनियस चेंज इन टेक्नोलॉजी ऑफ प्रोडक्शन ऑफ बोथ द कमोडिटीज इन सेम डायरेक्शन. या तो दोनों का इंप्रूव किया तो अपवर्ड शिफ्ट, या दोनों का डिटोरिएट कर गया तो डाउनवर्ड शिफ्ट. ओके, एंड second reason is change in economic resources of the country. Change in economic resources of the country. What if resources increase? If economic resources increase, then PPCC will shift upward. अगर इकोनॉमिक रिसोर्स ज्यादा हो गया, कंट्री का बढ़ गया, ओके, और दोनों कमोडिटी में उसका यूज हो सकता है, तो पीपीसी विल शिफ्ट अपवर्ड. ओके, एंड इफ रिसोर्सेज डिक्रीज देन पीपीसी विल शिफ्ट डाउनवर्ड. Just example I'm giving you. This is a pandemic situation, and due to COVID, resources doesn't mean raw materials only. Resources doesn't mean raw materials only. Resources you may have discussed in class 9 and 10 also. Factors of production. Factors of production, what are? Land is there, labor is there, capital is there. Okay, so or you can say physical capital, human capital and physical capital. So the difference between human capital and physical capital is what? Physical capital cannot work of their own. It is human capital which make physical capital working. Means use of physical capital depends on the efficiency and ability of human capital. Now, during this pandemic for last 1 year, what we see due to lockdown, human capital is not allowed to move. Okay, they are confined in their home. So as they are confined in their home, so what is happening? What is happening? There is decrease in human resource from the pool of resources. जो resources का pool है, इसमें की machine है, building है, लेबर है, अदर रॉ मटेरियल्स है, उस पूल रॉ मटेरियल इज देयर, कोरोना रॉ मटेरियल को कुछ कर नहीं सकता है, बिल्डिंग को कोरोना कुछ नहीं कर सकता है, मशीन को कोरोना कुछ नहीं कर सकता है, इसको कर सकता है, आपको और हमको बिगाड़ सकता है. तो वहां से जो पूल ऑफ रिसोर्सेज था, वहां से क्या हुआ, मैन पावर निकल गया, तो इकोनॉमिक रिसोर्स क्या हुआ, घट गया. मैन पावर घटना का मतलब हुआ रिसोर्सेज कम हो गया. व्हेन रिसोर्सेज became less, then what happened? Production activities got reduced, and that's why you may have seen GDP, negative growth in GDP. The what we predicted earlier, 12%. Now we are predicting less and less rate of growth of economy. Okay, so क्या हो गया? Production हमारे country का नीचे आ गया. If you see overall production of the country during this COVID situation, it has come down. Okay. So, just example I was giving you. So, if technology of production of both commodities improves, PPC will shift upward. If resources increase, PPC will shift upward. If technology of production of both the commodities deteriorates, PPC will shift downward. If resources comes down, PPC will shift downward. This is what we say rotation and shift of PPC. Rotation, shift of PPC, forward shift of PPC indicates economic growth, whereas downward or backward shift of PPC indicates negative growth in economy.